The ADI Digital branch makes it easy to browse and purchase products for every low-voltage install and project, as well as learn about the services and benefits available to customers. On our homepage, you can search for what you need by category, brand, product name, or product number in the search bar at the top. You're also able to browse our selection by clicking on Brand, New Products, Deals, and Monthly Sales Flyer in the navigation bar. If you're already an ADI customer, you can log into your account from the homepage without the need to redirect to a separate login screen. Just click on Sign In on the navigation bar. If you are not a customer, you can become one by clicking the link on the Sign In pop-up. Once you're logged into your account, you can see what's in stock at your local branch by clicking the Shop My Branch feature. In your account, you're also able to reorder products, upload orders, view invoices, access quotes, track shipments, make online payments, and in the US, make online returns. The rotating banner features services we offer and top promotions across the site. You can also find top-selling categories and brands by scrolling down the homepage. Curated limited-time offers and promotions can be found in our Hot Deals section. To learn about how to become a customer to access exclusive promos, trainings, and customer support, head over to Account Benefits. When you're signed in, this section will redirect you to learn about our services. Also, when signed in, your most recently purchased items will be displayed here. In our Featured Solutions section, see what we're working on to make business easier for you. Above the footer, you'll find links to training opportunities, events, and additional savings. In the footer, you'll find contact and support information, including a link to our Help Center, company resources, and links to other sites specific to your country. To stay updated with ADI, you can follow us on Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, and our very own blog.